This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the fuel pump on a Nissan Pathfinder. Begin by relieving fuel pressure, disconnecting the battery, and draining any accessible fuel from the tank for safety. Jack the vehicle, support it with stands, and remove the fuel tank straps carefully. Label electrical connectors and hose routing, remove the old pump module, compare the new pump for fit, then reinstall, reconnect lines, and test for leaks. Gather tools and parts before you start to save time and avoid surprises. Confirm the pump part number and pick up replacement seals and a fuel line disconnect tool. Work in a ventilated space, keep rags and a drain pan handy, and wear safety gear. Photograph wiring and hose locations as you go to simplify reassembly. Organize removed fasteners by bagging or labeling them to speed the rebuild and prevent mistakes. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really helps the channel and lets me make more guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle stays cold, has a spill-resistant spout, and is perfect for sweaty garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Lower the tank carefully while supporting it with a second jack or helper so it does not drop. Disconnect the filler neck, vent hoses, and electrical plugs before lowering the tank to the ground. Unbolt the pump retaining ring or fasteners and lift the module straight up to avoid bending the float arm. Inspect the inlet sock and clean the gasket surface, then prepare the new pump and seals for installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.